Alright, let's do some Jeep stuff. First, we're gonna take the rack off the top, the basket, and then we're gonna clean this thing. We're gonna take this off because where the metal and metal is meeting, it's rusting, and then it's dropping rust all over. So we're gonna take it off, we're gonna clean this thing, then we're gonna bed line the whole basket, except for the front where the stickers are. So we're gonna go ahead, get this off, and then clean this, and then clean the rack, and get it all painted up. All right, let's get this thing off. Alright, now we'll be able to see all the rust and all this that's falling all over it. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, get all that off the car. And then we got all this on the rack. Alright, so let's first let's clean the car. So we're gonna clean it with, ordered this the other day. Adams polishes stuff. And their foam gun. So they never opened none of this. Let's see how it does. Alright. Cool. Heck yeah, that's nice. I like that. And then you got the different size tips for how much foam comes out. Shampoo. Car wash pad. There we go. So we'll use these for now. I have no idea how much of this to do for what. Ooh, that's soft. That's like soft and fluffy. See how good this foam gun works. Ain't a foam cannon, foam gun. Totally different. Heck yeah. I like this. This thing's nice. And one thing I like about it is the quick disconnect from the container to just the hose. Love that. I'll get back with y'all when it's done. Alright, all clean. Use the Atom stuff on it. Outside, didn't do the interior today. Just wanted to do the outside. Looks a whole lot better. Use the vinyl and rubber trim on the tires just to see how it cleaned them up. Cleans them up really nice. Love that Adams. That is some nice stuff. It's well worth the money. Alright, next thing, let's get back on that basket. Clean it up, get it painted, and get it back on. Alright, so I started messing with the basket for the Jeep, and as I got it off and started cleaning it, I noticed the paint on the front was actually peeling off, and it was rust. So I went ahead, sanded the whole front down, cleaned it all up, and did that spray on bed liner on the whole thing. Got it all cleaned up. A lot better looking than what it was. All that rust, got everything all cleaned up. So now let's go put it back on. Alright, gotta line these brackets up. That one. All right. Alright, so here it is, all done, put up. Back to looking good, back to the way it should be. Happy. So, I'm happy that it's back on there. Looks a lot better. Alright, so now let's go over some plans for all the vehicles. Let's start with the BMW. Next video probably will be getting the motor put into it, trying to get that slightly done. Because I just got me a turbo 400 transmission the other day, so hopefully we can get those two in, get it mocked up, start the build process on that, get that one rolling. Next thing with the truck. Well, the Suburban's been sitting for a couple weeks now. Ain't been doing nothing. And that's because alternator broke in it. And it's only got a, what is it, like 62, 63 amp alternator in it. And it's struggling to keep up with all the stuff on here that draws power. It struggles. So got me a bigger alternator. That's going on. Broke the driver's side rear shock off the other day. that's got to get fixed, put back on. And then the big thing, which will be a big video also, is we're going to get the front lower. We're going to order some drop spindles for it and get that a lot lower, because there's plenty of room up in there for the wheel to go. So we're going to order some drop spindles and get this a lot lower. With the Jeep, we got a few other things. We got a video coming out for clearance in the wheel wells from the rubbing. And then I really want to build some rock sliders for it, but got to get the material, and we'll go from there. But minimum right now is going to be a video on the wheel wells, because they rub. Alright, catch you in the next video.